What's up, man?
Just bugging.
Hey guys, it's Dalton.
And G-Man.
Now, you may be wondering, why are we sitting here with the Vanagon Chaka, the 66 Wannabe? Well, guess what? This weekend is BugJam. BugJam 2023.
The biggest event in Florida.
Yes, 3 days of camping. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Main 2 days are Saturday and Sunday. Friday, all the diehard VW enthusiasts show up. They set up camp. Saturday, you got the swap meet. You got the off-road dirt track, which is awesome.
Bring your helmets.
Yes, be safe out there.
Functioning seatbelts and a helmet.
Sunday is the main day. It's the spectator
judging.
day. You have awards.
Veterans get their free beer.
Yes. We will be staying until Monday this year. Just going to be awesome, just like we did last time. We're taking the 66 Wannabe. I haven't had the chance to get out the videos on the new build and whatnot that's in it, but we have a 1776 110 cam, 3236 carb, built by John Moe, West Coast Core, and his team. If you guys need any motors or any parts or anything from them, definitely go hit them up.
New old stock. That man's got it.
They're out of California, but he does come here twice a year, builds motors for a few weeks. If you guys need anything, he's got you covered. Now on to this over here. I'm sure you're wondering what this is. Now you can only see half of it, but that's just a tease.
Right here.
So that is a 1967 lowered patinaed VW Beetle, and it's owned by Gill. As you guys remember, BugJam 2020 was our first year of bringing 3 Volkswagens to the event.
And it was our first year of coming there as Just Buggin.
Yes, we did go to BugJam twice prior to being
but not
involved as Just Buggin. Brought Allie's 1972 Super Beetle. That was the debut for that after a 2.5-year restoration. Allie did win second place. The 78 Carmen convertible champagne Super Beetle.
271, I think.
It won third place. Gill, the 1974 Orange Crush, he won third place. Top 3 for 3 VWs for our first year coming as Just Buggin. That was awesome.
That's what I go
such a great
for.
time.
I don't go for me to get a trophy. I just like to drive in there, and that's why we register the car. I don't care about a trophy.
Yes.
It's my people that I work on their cars. I want to see them getting a trophy.
And
that's
be happy
my
at
reward.
the end of the day.
Orange Crush, I was the one that named it.
Yes.
And this car, he gave me full reign. I was the one that named it, themed it, everything, and it just became this, you know, with the help of Chad, of course. I told him to sign it, and it's on the back left fender. So this is the Lightning Bug, which Ride the Lightning from Metallica, the album. That's where it inspired me, the color and everything. And then Chad goes, well, why don't we put lightning in it? What do you mean? I said, he goes, why don't we cut into the paint or something? I was like, okay. I gave him the 90 grinder, and I said, just go to town on it. Gil said it was all right. I got full reign.
I never got the video out on that one. Didn't get the video out on this build. We're just bugging on a daily, so it's hard to
some things
get to
prioritize
some
and
things.
jump over things, but we have a huge archive of videos.
Like 45 unreleased videos. Anyways, Gil, as you know, that owns the Orange Crush, he has had that for probably 2 years or so. It's blue and black. Chad went to town with the DA and did all these awesome lightning etching with the clouds, and we ended up clear coating it, and we've done so much work to it. You guys will have to wait and see a whole video on that. Gil did end up selling the Orange Crush, and now his only Volkswagen is the Lightning Bug. So stay tuned to see it at BugJam. It's going to be one of a kind. There's some awesome magnets that go on the doors too with a huge design.
The Lightning Bug.
Yes, and it's a lightning bug literally riding lightning.
That was Bert's design.
And then I had it sent off to a cartoon wolf, and he did an amazing job making it
in
digitally.
24 hours.
Stay tuned to see both of these there, and of course Chaka will be camping in that.
Yeah, we'll have the banner up. Come down and say hi. We'll be in the perimeter camping somewhere, and you'll see probably the only 2 Vanagon high tops set up, Vanagon Man and Just Buggin.
BugJam is gonna be so much fun. So if you guys have a Volkswagen, if you don't have a Volkswagen, come on out.
Yeah, buy some parts for that Volkswagen, get it home so you can be there next year.
Yes, or if you don't have a Volkswagen, come there, maybe buy a Volkswagen.
Anything you're looking for is gonna be at BugJam. New, old, for sale, restored, fully restored, project, in pieces, put together, whatever you want.
Definitely be there with my parts list, buying a ton of parts for the 66 Wannabe.
And of course,
I'm sure we'll be buying a bunch of stuff.
Seals for the door handles and stuff like that, and some windshield wipers and an antenna. It's always work in progress, these Volkswagens.
Now,
we're not running a merch stand this year, but Dalton did designed some new t-shirts.
Yes.
And they will be on our website.
You check out the link down in the description. There is Lightning Bug merch out. Go grab yours today. There's t-shirts, mugs, posters.
Yeah, anything
long
you want.
sleeves, tons of different
And
stuff.
if you want something different, contact Dalton.
Yeah, we're not sponsoring BugJam this year. We kind of want to just enjoy, and it was
like we did in the beginning.
Yeah, it was a lot of work last year selling merch. Mama Buggin and G-Man ran the booth.
I had 2 broken toes.
I ran around and filmed a lot. We've done the complete experience for BugJam 3 years in a row. So this year, we're going to give you our recap of highlights. But we have something awesome to show you right here. Volks America magazine. So this, if you guys own a Porsche, if you guys own a Volkswagen, if you don't, and you want to read something awesome that may get you into that lifestyle and culture, then definitely go check out Volks America 2024 annual magazine. This is a 1-year magazine. They put it out just one time. You can go use Just Buggin 10 to get 10% off on your next order on Volksmania.
Or your subscription.
Yeah, and I'll leave all the links down in the description, but this is a one-of-a-kind magazine. I mean, this thing is heavy.
And it's, yeah, and I've been dying to look at it, but
heavy.
we'll go through that later. Oh my God, look how thick.
I know.
It's almost a hardback.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Some awesome stories in here. I will be bringing this to BugJam. If anybody wants to see it, you know, surely
Stop
ask.
by our
I'll leave
campsite.
it in the 66 Wannabe and we can show you, and maybe you might want to grab one at your local Barnes & Noble, Books A Million, and multiple other retailers. Some of the print-ups are just, I mean...
Amazing. Oh wow, what a beautiful Porsche.
Yeah, and what a
Heaven
beautiful
seat.
picture. And look, a redhead. Father and son.
That looks like Dalton.
Go get your Volks America magazine today. Links down in the description. We'll be bringing it to BugJam. If you want to see it, check it out.
There is going to be some pretty cool people participating this year.
So we got to welcome New Yorker to Florida. His name is Chris Vallone.
Everyone,
guys don't know about
you
Chris
gotta
Vallone.
know. Couldn't put in a headliner if it wasn't for Chris Vallone.
I think there's a lot of things you couldn't do.
I know there
if it
is a lot of
wasn't for
things.
Chris Vallone. Chris Vallone is the man. Links down in the
Concourse
description.
Volkswagens,
Yes.
man. Build a bug.
Chef's kiss.
Yes,
The
yes.
creme de la creme.
There's going to be a lot of great people there and a lot of great people to meet, new friends. Can't wait to see you all there too, our VDUB
But
family.
keep your eyes peeled. Sunday, you'll see Chris Fullone walking around. He's got a sweet bug that'll be there.
I'm glad we're doing it this way
Yes.
this year. We get to relax and meet some more people and it's going to be great.
Stay tuned, guys. If you guys would like to get a sticker, come up, say hi to us. We'll give you a Just Buggin Sticker so you can slap on your dub or your daily. Come out to BugJam this weekend. If you ain't there,
Then where the hell are you?
yes. So have a Just Buggin of a day.
And keep on bugging out there, y'all.
Yes.
See you at BugJam 2023.